Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Keza Nurul Arianti. I'm from semester 1. I'm from class D. And my student number is 1 2 5 2 0 4 0 1 0 and 2. This story is about a woman named Rita who worked as a cleaner in a big office in the city. And this story teaches about appreciation, empathy, and the importance of respecting other people's work, no matter how small it might seem. And this is my reason for choosing the story that I chose. The first, it has natural conversational English, including greetings, apologies, and daily word words. The second is there are mix of tenses, present, past, and dialogue, useful for practicing stress and rhythm. And the third, it includes emotionally expressive part, good for intonation, practice like Rita smiled, but she felt hard-side. And the last, the vocabulary is clear and everyday, which make it great for both clarity and fluency practice. The first original sentence is Rita worked as a cleaner in a big office in the city. And the word stress on the first syllable in cleaner. So, cleaner. And the first syllable on the word office. So, office. And in the first syllable of the word city. City. And the third group is Rita worked as a cleaner in a big office in the city. Prominence, cleaner, explain about her job, and big office explain where she worked, and city explain the area where she worked. Number 2 is every morning she arrived before the sun came up, and the word stress on first syllable in every, and one first syllable in morning, and second syllable on word arrived, and second syllable all words before, and the stress word in one syllable in word sun, and one syllable in word came, and one syllable in word up. And the third group is every morning she arrived and before the sun came up. And the prominence is every morning about the time she was working, and before about dedication before or after, and sun came up about the beginning of showing responsibility before starting long work. And number 3 is the room in the building were quiet at that time. And the word sentence is the first syllable on word rooms, and first syllable on word building, and in the first syllable on word quit, and the stress word on word time. And the third group is the room in the building were quit at the time. And the prominent is room, which part of the place did she clean, and quit, the atmosphere when she worked, and then time, about done a few days ago. And number 4 is that they talk to each other and ignored her. The stress word is the first syllable in word talk, so talked, and the second syllable in word ignored, ignored. And the talk group is they talk to each other and ignored her. And the prominent is talked. Maybe Rita and her friends annoyance and ignored. How unpleased feelings are felt. And number 5 is you miss a spot. One man said one day. And the stress word in one syllable in word missed. And one syllable in word man. And the talk group is you miss a spot. One man said one day. And the prominence is missed. The feeling that is felt. And one man. A man was speak softly like he's mocking. And number 6 is she had cleaned the office for years and nothing ever changed. And the stress word in one syllable on word cleaned and one syllable on word years and the first syllable in word nothing, one syllable in word change. And the talk group is she had cleaned this office for years and nothing ever changed. And the prominence is cleaned. She always cleans from long ago and years. The time she often used to clean. And then nothing even changed. How the place changed during her work. And then original sentence number 7 is she put her cleaning things away and sat down for a few minutes. And the stress word in the first syllable on word cleaning and one syllable in word things and one syllable on word sat down and then one syllable on word few and the first syllable on word minutes. And the talk group is she put her cleaning things away and sat down for a few minutes. And the prominence is cleaning this work in progress and sat down. Maybe she's tired and quit for a moment and few minutes. Turning point her silent protest through grace. Now the original sentence for number 8 is where Rita said another. And the word stress is the first syllable on word whereas. And the word and the first syllable in word Rita. And the talk group is where's Rita said another. And prominence is where's Rita. So the beginnings of awareness from others. And for number 9 is the manager walked over to her. And the stress word is the first syllable in word manager and one syllable in word walked and the first syllable in word over. And the talk group is the manager walked over to her and the prominence is manager K emotional point and walked over is respect begins to form. And for number 10 no people saw her, really saw her, and she smiled as they worked. The stress word is one syllable on word noun and the first syllable in word really, and one syllable in word saw, and one syllable in word smiled. And the talk group is no people saw her, really saw her, and she smiled as she worked. And the prominence is now, the time, and really is the expression, and saw her is the view of people around her, and smile, recognition and appreciation of people. And earlier, there were 10 original sentences with their stress word and talk group and prominence. Now, I wanna tell about my reflection. So, pronunciation features such as word stress, talk group, and prominence are essential for clear and natural spoken English. Word stress help listener understand the correct meaning of a word by emphasizing the right syllables, while the group divides speech into meaningful units, making it easier to follow and more organized. Prominence highlight the most important word in a sentence, giving rhythm, emotion, and focus to the speaker message. When analyzing these features, I found the speaker intonation. I also realized that English rhythm is stress time, meaning some syllables are spoken more quickly than others. I also often feel that my speech is flat and does not have the appropriate rhythm and intonation. Through this analysis, I learned that mastering pronunciation feature is not only about sounding good, but also about expression, meaning, and feeling naturally, which make communication smoother and more effective. Okay, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.